Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to talk about one of the most important topic and important wonders of our planet, that is the formation of Himalayas. As we know, Himalaya is the youngest and the highest mountain range in the world, and they are most of the powerful example on how our earth is constantly changing. To understand the changing behavior of the earth, we have to know the plate tectonic theory. So what is plate? The plates are the earth's surface are not a single solid cell. Instead, it is broken into the large rigid pieces, that is, these are called tectonic plates. These plates are floating over a semi-molten layer of the Earth's interior is called asthenosphere. So, what to understand the behavior of the formation of the Himalayas, we have to know the theory of plate tectonics. This theory was put forward by X. Lee Pichon. He also regarded as the father of plate tectonics. So we have to know what are the plate boundaries. The plate boundaries means the edges where tectonic plates meets are called plate boundaries. Means where two or more than two plates are meet with each other is called the plate boundaries. It is a junction. So on the basis of that, we can classify plate boundaries into three separate zones. One is convergent, another one is divergent, and another one is transform. Convergent, divergent, and transform plate boundary. So the plates are moving. So how does the plates are moving? To understand the theory of Arthur Holmes, the convectional currents are also present beneath the earth crust, that is on the atmosphere. Due to this convectional current, the plates are moved. In details, we will discuss it in another video. So, what is divergent plate boundary? Divergent plate boundary means the plates are diverging from each other. Means this is where two plates move apart from each other. Magma rises from the below the surface and creating new crust. So that is why the it is also known as the constructive plate boundary. Kindly remember, divergent always constructive. Divergent plates boundary are always constructive in nature. Mid-Atlantic ridge is a example of it. Next, what is the convergent? Convergent means when two plates are converged with each other. Means this is where two plates move towards each other and collide. The zone of collision is called Benioff zone. Almost 45 degree, they creates almost 45-degree angles, and one plate subducted into the another place. So this zone is called the subduction zone. And next, that is transform plate boundary. Oh, one thing is there. So due to the convergent, plates are being destroyed. So that is why the convergent plate boundary is also called destructive plate boundary. And remember it, convergent are always destructive and divergent are always constructive. But in the convergent plane boundary, folded mountains are formed. As Himalaya is, I already said, Himalaya is the youngest and the oldest mountain in the world. So to understand the behavior of the Himalaya, we have to know this plate boundary. So due to the convergence of two continental plates, Himalaya has formed. We will uh, uh, discuss it soon. So now that is the transform plate boundary. Transform plate boundary means the plates where two plates pass each other horizontally. Means no constructions are there, no destructions are there. So that is called, it is also known as the neutral plate boundary. So these are the plate boundaries of the earth. You can see here it is the position of India, and you can see these are you can see the Indian plates move towards each other, and this plate Indo Tibet Burma plate moves towards each other. So it is a example of convergent plate boundary. So these are the plate boundaries. As we know, Earth has created with 7 larger, 8 minor, semi-minor, and 20 minor plates. Earth has formed by these plates. Oh, sorry. Next. So breakdown of Pangea. What is Pangea? Pangea means the supercontinent. What is Pangea? The Pangea means the supercontinent. When Earth was formed, all continents are together. It's called Pangea. How does about 200 million years ago, Pangea began to break apart due to the plate. It split into two major landmasses. One is called Laurasia in north, and the southern portion is called Gondwana. Northern portion is called Laurasia, and southern portion is called Gondwana. India was a part of Gondwana. Understand? Let's see how the plates are moved, and this is our India. This is our India, and it's moved. So this is now, as it is the Pangea or the supercontinent, and the ocean surface is called Panthalassa or the Tethys Ocean, and it is the present condition where we can see the different oceans and different countries. So we see that due to the plate divergence, Himalaya has formed. So how it is formed, we have to understand through this video. Means how Indian plates, being a part of Gondwana land, uh, rising up or moving towards the northern land, that is Laurasia. So due to the collision of the Angara land or Laurasia land with Gondwana land, Himalaya mountain has formed. Just see on is this video. So it is 100 million years ago. Just see, it is our India. So at around 50 million years ago, the Indian plate started moving northwards. Just see, 50 million years ago, you can see the most transitional period of Indian plate, and collide with Eurasian plate. Because of broad plates, the made of the continental crust, neither could sink. Instead, the crust folded and pushing up the formation of Himalayas. Just see, this is how the Himalaya has formed. And this is how Himalaya has formed. Just see. Just see it. So this is how that it is the modern stage where the Himalaya has already been formed. And once a time there was a Tethys Sea, and now is Himalaya. So at present, look at what is Himalaya. We know that one of the main information, one of the important information, that as Himalaya is a young fold mountain, its formation is still going on. Means Himalaya are still rising even today. Scientists says that grow about 5 millimeters every year, which means the process of mountain building is still going on. So due to the convergence, or due to the part being a part of a convergent plate boundary, Himalaya mountain has formed, or Himalayan mountain range has formed. Himalayan mountain is the largest, longest mountain range and youngest mountain range in the world. It is a fold mountain. Just see at present, this is the view of Himalaya. Do you know? So now, in short, in short, we will discuss a classification of Himalayas. There are three major groups, that is Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and Lesser Himalayas. Greater Himalayas are known as Himadri, Middle Himalayas are known as Himachal, and Lesser Himalayas are known as Shivali. So Greater Himalayas are the topmost part, and here it is the range of Greater Himalayas, and Himalaya stretches at about uh, it stretches from Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. Nanga Parbat in west to Namcha Barwa in east. So this is the view of Himalaya. So Himalaya are just not mountain. They are the result of the million of the years of the Earth's dynamic process. They protect us from the cold winds from Siberia, give birth to major rivers, and are the home of diverse plants, animals, and cultural. Understanding their formation helps us to appreciate a powerful focus that shape of our